Hey Artnerds, today I'm going to be putting these Daniel Smith primaries to the test by completing a watercolor grid. Okay, so I have my colors gridded. Now I'm going to do a really basic color wheel for you guys. Alright, Art Nerds, that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for helping me create a color resource grid for the Daniel Smith primaries, for helping me create some custom mixes, and for helping me create a color wheel. The colors that we use today are Perylene Red, French Ultramarine, and Hansa Yellow Medium. And if you would like to order your own, I have a link down in the description for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye guys! If you like my work, don't forget to hit subscribe and make sure you click the bell notification so you never miss an update. Every Friday, I do a Power Hour art stream where I demonstrate art supplies, so make sure you don't miss that. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.